Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. So we got the Mustang, the F-150, the 1500, and all these vehicles had to be moved so I could get my 3500 out. There's the F-250. There's the Durango across the fence. And here's the 3500. Now I want to take off the welder and just grab it with my arms and throw it in the back of this truck here. And I need to relocate this truck. I don't use it. It's been parked for like 3 or 4 years. I don't know. Let's look at the sticker here. This has been expired since 21, so I probably had it parked about 3 years. I don't need the truck. I might sell it, and that way I can have room for a tractor or something here. This is a Ford 3500 HD. So that was my little Chevy here, and it doesn't have any gas right now. I put about 2.5 cups of gas that was in one of the jugs. This thing is empty, and yeah, we're gonna be taking off the welder, and hopefully there's space here in the back of this short bed. Well, we'll just toss it here. And you know what, open the tailgate, see how this looks. I think that'll be perfect. Oh man, it's stuck on there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Now it's stuck there between the tailgate. Ta-da! There we go. I can still put the gooseneck. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the channel, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.